Hey guys, let me take you on a trip down memory lane. A few days ago, I posted a video about 3-jaw chucks versus 4-jaw chucks, right? And I ran my mouth about 3-jaw chucks with bored jaws. I went on and on trying to tell you how wonderful it is. Well, I want to add to what that's all about. Hang on to your sneakers. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, now you're in my CAD system. All right, over here I'm showing an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. In the video, I showed you I could put a piece in, take the piece out, put it back in. It would run through all the time. Flip it around to the backside, same routine. No matter how I did it, that piece had a stop for the length, and it would run through no matter what side you put in there. All right? Now I'm done with that piece, and I'm going to show you what I have to do with it. I'm going to take it a little further. Here's a view of the piece right here. You see where the mouse is? That's the face view. There's 2 side views here. All right? Let me just... And what I'm showing here in the side view is this 250 hole going right through 3 places. Then I'm showing an opening for a 1032 screw going right through, right? And I'm showing an opening for 1/8 pins, all right? All right, now I gotta take that thing, right, and drill holes in it. And I want it laying on a milling machine table so that this plane is with the axis of the milling machine. So let's go up to the options. First thought, most guys like to operate out of vices, out of milling machine vice. Here's what I'm showing. I got an Enco vice. This drawing is a dead clone of my vice. You understand? First thought, V-block. Put the pot in here, right? And then clamp it in the vise and do your drilling. Well, if you had to, for one, that's good. If, what you do is you put it in, coax the center of this, get your coordinates, and drill your holes, all right? If you got more than one, then you got to put a stop on the table so you can take it out and put it back, right? All right, anyways, let me show you. Here's what I have in my shop. I call this my small V block, all right? All right. Here's the opening of my vise. You see it here? I put these hash marks in there to show the maximum opening of the vise, all right? Now, I'm going to take this V block and the round piece, and I'm going to put it in the vise. I don't have enough room. Let me show you. You see the piece? The piece is beyond the travel of the jaws. The jaws don't open up enough. All right? All right, let me put it back. Made my point there. Whatever, So let me go to the next scenario. Like I said, I want the access this way. Watch the mouse, see? All right? All right, so here's what I did. The next option, take 1, 2, 3 blocks, right? I got them underneath in a position so that when I drill these holes, right, there's nothing under it to get in the way, and I got it strapped in 3 places. Pain in the ass. But I'll show you what it looks like on a milling machine, okay? Hang on. it on the table. Okay, you can see that. I put it on a milling machine table, right? It's got to be in that configuration so there's clearance underneath so I can drill through. You can see it here, right? Kind of cumbersome to get that all right to make sure you got clearance, right? But that's all right for one piece. You get it all strapped in, coax it, or just get your spindle on the same center line and do your work, right? All right, let me get that out of the way. All right, now I'm going to take you over to the board jaws. Here's it. Well, let me see. See, there's the milling machine table. I got the 8-inch 3-jaw chuck in there. You see it? Got it strapped down, right? And the only thing I got to do to make sure it's all right is indicate right along here. Indicate that chuck, right? So that I'll indicate that jaw. So, so that I'll have room under it to drill these holes, right? All right, obviously, now, I'm showing the piece in the soft jaws on the milling machine table. I'm showing the bolts, the board jaw, the circle of the bore, right? All right? Now, what the hell am I doing? All right, now, if I'm doing one, that's okay. If I'm doing multiples, that is kick ass, because you can put it in, it's gonna stop for the height, it'll run dead concentric, right? You can flip it back and forth. This is the ticket. I'm showing here, right here, where the chuck wrench goes, right? So at the top of the slide angle. So you crack the chuck wrench back of here, drop your piece in, lock it up. You're in the same place. It's like being in a vise with a stop. But this is round. It's a different story. But this is the ticket. You understand? If you guys have got a better idea, lay it on me, because I can't think of anything better than this. We're doing one or multiple round pieces. Board jaws and a 3-jaw chuck. You just strap it to the table, right? And away you go. All right. Same message every time. Pay it forward. Let's be good to each other. All right? Anyways, like I always say, I'll catch you on the flip side. Hasta linguiça.